Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, so that means we have a review. Let's see who this is from. Yeah, I'm using my pointy scissors because my other ones are in another room. Let's take this out. Alright, so we'll go with the little box first. This is from FGOBY Store, and the first thing I have is, where am I at? I don't know what this is going to be. It says garden, but you know, some days I don't describe things well, so it's always like a mystery to me. Oh yeah, I decided I'd get some of these. You know, I tend to go for the Chinese things and the ones that kind of look like my tan, you know, my big tan Chinese things. But this is a little house. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Here, I'll just lay it down and then I'll go like this. But isn't it cute? It's got some little animals. I think they're bears. They're all out doing summer yard work and stuff like that. Isn't that cute? I had to add it to my collection. I usually don't go for cutesy stuff, but I just like this. I thought it was cool. So I will add it to my big collection over here. And it was $3.99. So let's get to the cross stitch. See if we can open this. Hang in there. Get rid of the crinkly paper and flip it. Now, I will put a picture of this right here. Alright. But isn't that beautiful? It is a 60 by 43, and I hope all the definition shows up. I really do. It has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Great big pattern. It has 50 colors, y'all. Oh, let me back you out so you can see what's going on. I'm sorry. But it has a big paper. It does have instructions down here if you're a first timer. That's fine. This is an 11 count. This is a nice big pattern. Very, very easy to read. And it has, I'm going to fold it. Hang on. The colors running down the side, the DMC numbers, the symbols, and the number on the thread cards. So yeah, I just thought this was absolutely stunning. So I had to get it. I had to. Just beautiful. And I love that you can see all the symbols really clear on this. It's nice and big. You know, I'm glad they've gone to a bigger format on this, because otherwise I'd have to, like, you know, enlarge it if I was going to use it. This whole pattern page will match your canvas. So yeah, let's see. It's got 3 10s. It's got 823, some 939, and 3371, which is my favorite brown, and no white. This is a purple, it looks like. So we'll see here in a minute. But yeah, I'm glad they're huge. It does have the numbers across on the grid, so it's easy to find a symbol that you're looking for in case, you know, you can't see it for some reason. Awesome. They did good. Does come with a little kit, and it has, this one has the little porpoise on it. It does have a thimble, or whatever you call that. I guess it's a thimble. Poof ball, 5 needles, and a metal needles threader. Love it. Yeah, I bought a whole bag of these, gosh, 4 years ago. Yeah, okay, so here's the bag. So I still have plenty to go. I think I got them off Amazon. They were about $1.50. I don't know what they are now, but yeah. Let's take a look at the colors. Looks like a lot of thread here. This is full coverage. Pull out the plastic baggie. I like that they do that. That way it doesn't get all mushed and knotted, or I haven't had too many knotted things. Just it's all laid out. So everything's on the cards. So, yeah. Hang on, I'm going to have to give it a shake. Alright, we'll look at the first one. Isn't that pretty? Lots of dark colors, browns, tans. Even, look at that dark, like navy teal. It's got a little green in it. Just beautiful. And brown. There's your 3371 right there. This is probably 939. Gorgeous. But wait till you see this card. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Hang on. It's attaching itself to my body. Hang on. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at all the golds and reds and burgundies. This is 823. Look at the blues. Oh, just to die for. Just to die for. I really like it. And there is no sticker on here that matches, you know, the pattern. So I would write on the back with my Sharpie. But yeah, just a beautiful conglomerate of colors. Oh, just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and they're nice and long. That's the way I like them. So easy to pull a thread off. But here, let me get it. Look at, isn't that beautiful? Just absolutely a wide variety of rich looking colors. Love that blue. Oh goodness, I can't get over it. Be nice to do a whole, like a solid color, you know, cross stitch in. Love these blues. Okay, let's put that up there and let's take a look at the canvas. It's going to take a hot moment here. Hang on. Hang on. It is serged all the way around before I forget. So it's not too terribly big. That's why I'm kind of scared. But hopefully it'll turn out. Nice big key over here. Doesn't have the colors. The serging runs, you know, just shy of where those numbers are. So very easy to read. Very easy to see symbols. And the printing is fabulous. And very easy to see. Nice and big because it is a 14 count. Up at the top it does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Yeah, just beautiful. So this will be fascinating. And it's probably going to be confetti hell, but you know. We put up with some things just because we really want to do the picture, you know. And it is 23 inches, which is 60 right on the money. It's 42 and a half. It's supposed to be 43, but that's fine. You got plenty of edge, which is 16 and 3/4. The actual picture is 20, a little over 21, which is 53 and a half by, looks like 36 and a quarter, which is about 14 and a quarter inches. So yeah, it'd probably fit. I mean, you could kind of fudge it one way or another to get it in a 16 by 20 frame. But yeah, just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. So it'll be interesting to see, you know, how it all comes out. This is a terrible, terrible picture. You know, if they got this part done, you know, where it's bigger, but to look at it, it's just, no. This picture won't do it justice. Just beautiful. But I love the colors, and it looks kind of autumny looking. But yeah, it's awesome. Okay. Now this kit, it's called Tea House. And it was $21.99. So yeah, lots of beautiful threads. But it is going to be kind of confettied. Yeah. So it'll take a hot moment to stitch that. Maybe we'll do a video and I'll start it, one day. All right, guys. Now, FGOBY Store has free shipping on orders over $39.99. And on cross stitch, they sometimes have different specials and stuff. But on my paper, it says that you can get buy 3 get 1 free in cross stitch. So I'm not sure. They do not have diamond painting. They have a separate Joy Sunday section. They also have embroidery and beaded embroidery. Well, they do have diamond painting. I'm sorry, I lied. Wow. Reading ahead. They have cross stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They have crafts for cross stitch and diamond painting. I'm not sure about paint by number, if they have any crafts other than a picture, that you would paint. Yeah. And what else? They do have when you look up, their cross stitch, they have a special section, so it's down like novice and then intermediate and then advanced, and then they have grandmaster. But that way, if you're looking, you just started, so you'd go to the novice section and it would be something small, not overwhelming and, easy to stitch for somebody that was just starting. But if you're also very advanced and you can do all these things, and they have kits that have anything from straight cross stitch to adding, say, French knots, back stitch, 3/4 stitch, because Joy Sunday does that sometimes. So they have all different levels of kits and a big variety. So if you want to do diamond painting, or you want to do cross stitch or embroidery or paint by number, they have all those things. So do check them out. Thank you, FGOBY, for sending me these beautiful kits, or beautiful kit and beautiful little, I'm trying to get it off of here without moving it, little magnet. Aren't they cute? I haven't taken the plastic off, but you can see it. It takes me a hot moment. It either comes right off or, it takes 10 minutes. So, yeah, we're just not going to mess with that today. But I thought it was cute, and I may get others that are in this same little series, but this is also done by the Spring Kit company. So, I think it's awesome. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and do hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.